this here flicker, the fine folks at Capital Helicopters in Whitehorse give Tin Cup here his first helicopter ride. Lifting off from the aeroport, we fly over some spectacular scenery on our way to the Grand Southern Lakes Resort. Hang on for the ride. Oh, Tin Cup's gonna get a helicopter ride. My goodness. One of those aeroplanes, and now I get to fly on these helicopters which got these the propellers overhead. I've never seen such a thing. Except in those drawings by that fella Da Vinci. Saw those in my day. But apparently we're just walking right out here. Well, let me, you know what I should do here first is read me this here. Helicopter safety here. So, don't smoke. That makes sense. Don't smoke around anything that's got gasoline in it. Ensure your seatbelt is inside before closing the door. Well, that's a good one too. Don't touch the bubble. So it's the bubble. I guess a bubble must be what you're riding in. Don't light campfires near the pad, and always keep pad clear of objects that will be blown by rotor downdraft, like your little dog. Or don't slam the doors, which makes sense. Always approach or leave the helicopter in a crouched manner, unless you get your hat just taken right off, I suspect. Always approach or leave from the downhill side, never uphill. Again, you lose more than your hat if you do that, let me tell you. Protect yourself, seatbelt, ask the pilot, dress for the environment, keep well clear of the landing area and shield your eyes. Keeping well clear of the landing area is always a good idea. All right, let's go out and get. I'm ready. I tell you, I enjoy these newfangled things. Always ready for a new adventure. up here in a helicopter.
See you guys.
See you, Aaron. You gotta get on up here.